Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable products and software updates notifications on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and just go to the lower bar and you can find 4 options: the product, the project, the service and the account. If you want to enable the products and software updates notification, go to the account section, and here you can find the general section. Click to the further notifications, and here you can find the last option, the products and software updates. Receive information about products and software updates via notification. And if you want to enable, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.